Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing something just a little bit different. We are building a birdhouse. Yes, we're building a birdhouse. This is so fun. So we actually got the birdhouse at Michael's, and then we wanted to put a light inside of it. So I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. You just unscrew the top, and then Jason is going to make a circle on top of the birdhouse so that way we can stick it in there and glue it later on in the project. Now, while he is doing that, I'm going to go out and collect some of these branches because I want to make a pile of wood because I'm going to be adding a fire pit to this. I know it is going to be so cute. I'm so excited about it. So you're just going to get whatever branches you can. Try to get them kind of small because you want them to stay on the same scale. But I think these branches are a little bit big, but they're going to have to do because this is all that I can find in my woods. Now you're going to take the branches and break them apart. I tried so hard to make the tiniest ones that I possibly could, but you know, when you grab onto it and try to break something thick, it doesn't break to the size you want, of course. So anyways, just try your best, and then you are going to go ahead and take the logs once they are all done and glue them. So I took 4 on the bottom, and then I layered it to 3, 2, and then 1 on top. And then now you have a stack of wood for your mini fire pit. Now I want to place something inside of the fire pit. So I'm going to go ahead and take a few more sticks and kind of just bundle them into a triangle so it looks like there's a stack of firewood ready to go. Now I'm going to go ahead and start making the fire pit. I just bought these little boxes or whatever they are, cubes at the Dollar Tree. They were $1 for all of these cubes. And now I'm just going to go ahead and make a square and then put them all together with some hot glue. I know this is probably not going to last forever because the sun's going to melt the glue or destroy it, but this is just for a fun project for Jason and I to do today. And Sophia helped out a little bit too. But anyways, I was trying to make a circle, but with these cubes, it just really didn't work out. So I went ahead and went with a square-shaped fire pit. Okay, here it is all done. I went ahead and put 2 layers of the cubes on, and then there is that little stack. Now we're gonna go ahead and paint this red. Sophia decided she wanted to paint, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then I have some gray to kind of make it look like bricks instead of cubes from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and do the red paint first, and then I will just blot on the gray. Now Jason is back and he put the hole in there, and then he put the light inside the hole, so it's going to look really cool. Now he's just going to go ahead and put some glue in there so it doesn't come out, and this is what it looks like. How cool is that? Now I'm going to go ahead and put some shingles on here so that way we can kind of cover this up. So I have some popsicle sticks that I am using, and I'm going to go ahead and hot glue that, and then where you see the light, we're going to go ahead and cut that up so that way we don't cover up the light completely. And here is how the roof came out. We put 3 on the very top and 2 on the sides. That way you couldn't see all of the lines on there. And now we're gonna go ahead and get started on painting. I am going to paint the top a gray color. I thought that would be really pretty for shingles. And then for the sides and back and front, obviously, I'm going to use this Ocean Breeze blue. It is so pretty. It's almost like a tealish green. And then for the windows, I'm going to use white. So let's go ahead and get started. And here it is. We are going to let everything dry real quick so that way Jason can get the baseboard done. He's just going to cut out a 15 by 15 square. And then we bought this cute little pool. It's not really a pool, it's a container, but it has a ledge on it so that way it just falls right into the big board, and then we're going to stick their food back on here, and they are all set. Now I wanted to show you the other projects that I have been doing today. Been wanting to do something to the mailbox, so I went ahead and got these perennials, I believe is how you say them, and some annual flowers, and I just did a little border with some mulch. And then I also did one side, because I want to get my whole yard done, but I went ahead and did one side here. This is by the gate. We do have a gate that opens up, so that's why I did not do all of the grassy area, but I also did pretty much the same thing on here. I have perennials in this area as well. I cannot wait for them to all bloom so I could show you. And I also went ahead and did 2 pineapple. This is a baby pineapple from one of my friends, and then here is one that I just tore off and planted. So hopefully we will have some pineapple in a couple of years. I know it takes a while. We also got Sophia a new swing. We love the other one, but we thought this one would be more fun. She can sit in it and swing away. And then I also have a blackberry plant. So Jason's going to dig me a hole, and I'm going to go ahead and stick it in there and water it up. And here it is at night. We went ahead and had a light put inside the house, and we have a light on the pool. Isn't this so cute? But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.